Hi guys, I'm Dennis. Welcome back to my channel, Guy with Plants. In today's episode, I'm going to give you a quick update on the Hoyas that I reported 8 months ago in semi-hydro. So let's take a look how they are faring right now. This macrophylla snow queen, just give the pot a squeeze. The roots of the macrophylla is much finer. These may appreciate moisture more. Look at the pretty silvery leaves, really beautiful. So when I first reported this, it had 3 leaves. I think this tree, this one, and yep, this one. So the most recent leaf that came out during the last 3 months is this one. That's the newest leaf, but it is less splashy. Whoa, okay, look at the roots. So definitely there are roots coming out from the pot. You have started to throw out a vine here. So what I'm going to do is to give it a trellis. I'm just going to put it in there. So I'll try to fasten this vine to the trellis. So hopefully this vine will start to grow around the trellis. I know that the vines of Hoyas like to grow upwards. I'll come back to the present day. Look at this snow queen right now. Currently it has grown many leaves. So these are the newer leaves. As you can see, they are still really soft and in a darker shade of green, and also less splashy. I do not know why. Even though this is placed in a location where it gets really bright indirect light. So when I first reported this, it has only 3 leaves. Then in the next update, 2 months later, it grew another leaf, so it had a total of 4. But now, this has a total of about 7 to 8 leaves, and there is a baby one that is coming out. Can you see? It's really dark. And you expand quickly into a full-grown leaf in a matter of days to weeks. So let's take a look at the roots. Yeah, it still has pretty good roots. Yeah, the roots are actually growing out of the net pot. And see here, and yeah, here. So I think they are really happy in this moist environment. And I changed the nutrient solution recently, so I think it really likes it. Yeah, I want to show you this, the original leaves. 2 of the original leaves got some kind of infection. It looks really disgusting, but I treated this with some fungicide and as well as some pesticide just for good measure. So, but the other original leaf is still pretty much intact, even though it has kind of got some burn from the sun. And yeah, the newer leaves are pretty blemish free. So this, and this, they are new, as well as the baby ones. There's a total of 5 new leaves since I transferred this into semi-hydro. So I would say this is quite a success. Yeah, got to be careful not to break this new leaf because the baby leaves are always very delicate. The vine has taken over the wire trellis, which I've given it 4 months ago. It has grown so much that I have to tour it again another round. This is where the baby leaf came out from. And as you can see, there are more aerial roots that are coming out. Hoya pubicalyx splash. This is not as splashy now, and as you can see, it's not looking really good. It started off as a 2-leaf cutting, growing really slowly, but it's putting on a new growth. So these are the roots. Apparently there are 2 cuttings in there. This is a single leaf one, and this is the main cutting. So this is the pubicalyx splash. So I'm really happy that this has not died on me. and in fact it has put out some new leaves. These two are the newer ones, which is also one of the biggest one, and it's really splashy, but it has lost one of its leaves, which is fine. And this particular leaf is burnt because I have it right at the balcony next to the glass panel, so it gets a lot of bright indirect sun. But this is also a new leaf. Can you see this really small one? It's still really soft. From here I can't really tell whether has it rooted further, but I can see a tiny root here. And I believe this vine will actually branch out further. I can see a tiny growth point here. It was how it looked like 3 months back after the repotting. It has definitely grown, not by a lot. This was a cutting that was taken off from the original one. Original pubicalyx was gone. And back to present day, I'm super excited about this one. Look at all the splashy new leaves that came out, and there are more to come. These are the latest leaf that's growing out, and I think there is a small one coming out as well. So yeah, this is definitely super happy. Likewise, I give this super bright light, and yeah, it seems to like it. I still have the original leaves. Remember this one that is burnt? This was here since day one. And yeah, these are the older leaves, the older one that is without any splashes. At the second month update, it grew another 2 more leaves, I believe. And now it has all these new leaves. I think it has given out about 5 or 6 new leaves in 4 months time, with more to come. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. Yeah, look at this, the splashes are back. It's really beautiful. And we think this was only a cutting because I remember the original plant actually died off. Really happy to rehab this in semi-hydro. Yeah, with all these beautiful leaves. Hoya archboldiana pink. This is also a cutting which I got from the parent plant. The archboldiana actually prefers to be moist. Really like this Hoya, even though the leaves are pretty regular looking, not fantastic, but the flowers are amazing. Very big flowers, very interesting. Again, give it a squeeze. Wow, this comes off really easily. Look at the roots of this archboldiana, almost non-existent. Very little roots. I'm going to put a little bit of the pumice at the base. Okay, that's the archboldiana. Right, this archboldiana has definitely grown quite a fair bit. It's actually produced 3 new leaves. This one, these 2 at the front, and the one below here. You can tell that they are still really shiny and a little bit softer than the mature ones. When they first came out, they were in this very beautiful reddish, rusty, coppery kind of color, and slowly it will turn to green. So as you can see now, they are fully green. I think I have a photo of the juvenile leaf that I'll put here. So the good thing is I've not lost any of the leaves, I think, or maybe one, I'm not sure, but I think most of the leaves, the original leaves, are still around. So I can see a new growth here that may branch out, or it could be a new leaf. Oh, so this was a pot that didn't have enough potting medium and is still the same. So some of the roots are actually kind of exposed. Wow, take a look at the roots. So I guess the archboldiana is really loving this semi-hydro setup. I got to make sure I do not underwater this if the setup is in a regular potting medium, but this is in semi-hydro, so it is a perfect condition for it. This is how the Hoya looks like today. I'm really sad because I'm not sure what is happening with this Hoya. As you can see, some of the leaves are turning yellow, and yeah, in fact they look a bit wrinkled, and the veins are super pronounced. Like this one, I think it has gotten some infection here. Can you see the leaves are really wrinkled? really dry, so it's not doing well at all. I noticed this leaf about a week ago, but I thought it's only one leaf, but it seems that all the leaves are starting to go downhill. Archboldiana really struggled since day one. So I've lost some of the leaves in the last 4 months. Remember, there were about 8 leaves in the last update, but now there's only 6 left and there is no new leaves at all. So there is something terribly wrong with this archboldiana. Remember, it didn't have much roots in the beginning, but 2 months later, it was pretty well rooted. So I don't know why. I suspect... Oh, okay. This is not looking good. Oh man, no wonder it's struggling because it has no roots. I think the roots have rotted off. So, alright. What I'm going to do is to root this further in water. I'm not very optimistic about this because it has to support so many leaves. Let me put this in water and we'll see how it goes. Oh, actually I can see a bunch of roots here in the water. So somehow it has detached itself from the plant. So if any of you guys know what's happening, do comment below. Alright, back to square one. I'm going to root this archboldiana in water. A pity because I still have not seen its flower yet, which is a bummer. Alright, so this is the 8-month update of these 3 Hoyas that I've transferred into semi-hydro. And yeah, most of them are doing great. 2 out of 3 is not too bad. Thank you for watching this episode, and if you like more contents like that, do let me know in the comments section. Let me know what kind of videos you'd like to watch. So if you like my contents, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. My subscribers, I'll see you guys again in the next episode. Meanwhile, stay safe and remember to show your plants some love.